Yeah.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Eva Moore and this is my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do take a minute and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button and like this video. Now, before we jump into the video, let me tell you why this bare face and what's happening. I haven't applied any makeup and that's because I've had a skin reaction. There's like a whole bunch of rashes going on my face. I'm just applying creams and I'm on medication. I'm not allowed to put makeup as of now, so I am sorry about that. So I'm just keeping it bare and letting it breathe. And if you see this black spot, it's because your girl can't see without her specs, and I was going to straighten this part of my hair with a curler because I haven't got my straightener here in Bangalore. I was trying to straighten this bit and I couldn't see in the mirror like the distance because I really can't see without my specs. So I ended up keeping the curler on my nose and so it burned. It's been a month or something. It's just left its mark. For today's video, if you're following me on Instagram, you know, but if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, I think you should. I'm going to leave the handle on the screen here so you can go ahead and follow me. If you don't know, I am MyGlammXOBeautyCreator and I'm so blessed because I get this opportunity. It's a 12 months influencer program where we get to work along with MyGlam and create content together. There's an exchange of content and them giving us products monthly, so it's an exchange of things like that. You know, I wasn't sure if I wanted to make this video, but I felt like I wanted to make this because there are two things that I want to talk about. The first thing is because I work with MyGlam and I'm so grateful that I get products every month. Now MyGlam has not asked me to make this video. They have not asked us to talk about their products or review their products. Every opinion about their products, if I like it or if I don't, will be mine, will be 100% true. Secondly, this is something that I am seeing so much on social media, and especially for artists like us where social media is where we work, we create content. It is so helpful and encouraging that people appreciate the work that we put out. I'm so grateful for all those who are following me on Instagram, on my YouTube, supporting me every time I post something or the other, and I really value you. But I also want to tell there are so many who just want to see things and don't want to participate in it, and it's fine. But what happens is because somebody in your account is not reacting to your post, even though our work is good, Instagram is going to push it down because the algorithm has gone to some other world tour altogether. And I'm just not talking about me. I am seeing so many artists who deserve so much more are just stuck in those numbers, and I will really appreciate if you're listening to this. Start supporting artists on your account, start liking their work, start sharing their work. You know, it's just going to take you 20 seconds to do that, but it's going to impact a lot of their work in the coming days. And I feel at least I've made that space with you now where I can tell you what I feel, so please do that. Thank you. Because I work with MyGlam, the best perk that I think is that I am able to give back something to the audience. There are so many that are supporting, and I feel if I can just at least give back to 10 people, that will mean so much. When I say this, let me also tell you, when you go and get your free lipstick, I am not getting anything. It is just for you. You just have to go and take a survey where you're just going to help MyGlam. So they just want your perspective on makeup, and that's how they are going to co-create a line with you, which I think is a great idea where they want to hear what the consumer wants. So all you have to do is just take the survey and get your free lipstick. Now I am going to leave the link down below so you can go and get yourself that lipstick if you haven't already. Let me know if you've picked the lipstick, then come and comment down below if you did later. Even I could take the survey, so I did, and I got a free lipstick. This is the shade that I picked for my free lipstick, and it's DTF. These lipsticks that you get, it is smudge proof. You eat, you drink, you sleep, it doesn't budge. I'm telling you, it is transfer proof. There's nothing on my fingertips. It's my first PR box from MyGlam. I will show you the things that I have in this box. I have 2 nail polish. One is Bali and one is Maui. They are so bomb. You will see me in my reel using it. They are metallic, but once you apply it, it becomes matte. So imagine it being matte and there is a metallic sheen to it. Oof, it looks amazing. And the next one is this Kajal eyeliner pencil. Now I did use this a little bit for the video, so this is something that I got. The fourth one is a lip liner. It's a matte lip liner in the shade Basic. It's a beautiful nude. And for the last one is this matte liquid lip in the shade Caffeine. This pink one is on my lip right now. And then I have this card that they gave me, just a personalized code that I can use for my next purchase. So these are the things that I received in the month of October. Also, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. If you have any question regarding this particular video, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below and I will try to answer you as much as I can. On that note, I am signing off. Don't forget to stand tall, stay strong and love strong.